Right then guys, today I am testing the large transformer. As you can see down there, there's a normal MOT, just so you can get a bit of a size comparison on that again. And this display is 5 kV, so I will just go ahead and point at where we want it to be showing. We want it to be showing there, where it says the 30. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kV. So if all tests well, we should see it go up to the 30. Should be about bang on. I've got my, where are we? Oh, a bit zoomed in there. Input voltage set at 240 on the variac, which does just about go inside of where it says on the plate. It's a little bit out, but variacs always are. So I'll zoom back in on there, and let's see what we get. I've also got a bit more of a thing that I've got to show you, specifically for Steve Lane. So we'll do this bit, we'll see whether it's putting out 3000 volts. If it is, all good. So we shall plug it in. Big cable guys, I'm running ballasted. I'm running ballasted to 1750 watts, still not putting the full power into it. And for voltage measurement it's not too much of a problem, so we're hoping to see it go up to that 30. That went somewhat over 30. So what do we have going on there? I've got everything in the right places. Let's turn that off. Yeah, we've got that on the normal. Okay, that would be why. I need that in the 5000 volt socket. Okay, right, let's try again. That was a bit of a mistake, wasn't it? Good job I got a spare one of these. Right, so hopefully, if I didn't just fry it, we should get up to the 30. That is actually bang on, so I'm pretty happy with that, but it's working well. Yep. Okay, so I'll switch off. I'm going to unplug safety first, as they say. As Larry says, but it's a good thing to get into. Just so you know guys, these leads are 25 kV rated, so I'm not just using any old leads. Now this bit is the bit for Steve Lane. He purchased one of these the other day. It is a Ferranti high voltage meter probe, and you can go up to 11 kV. It withstands 11 kV, even though the meter says 10. He did explain that in his video. This was last calibrated in, let me just have a quick read, July 83. Let's see if we can get you on there. July 83. And I've never actually tested this, so today is the day it gets tested. So all we have to do is put one onto there, and you guys are going to want to be able to see my meter to see whether she's actually working or not. So I'll set you guys up roughly in the right place. Should be able to see that, not too bad. Right, and I'll plug it back in, switch it back on, and we'll try her out again. Got a foot switch, so I've got no live wires or anything. So this is where we find out whether the thing works or not. It got stuck at 2 kV. You can try giving a bit more on the other tap. Oh. No, so it's getting stuck at 2 kV unfortunately. So it would seem like my meter doesn't want to work. We'll give it the obligatory tap. Ah, that could be why the glasses actually came loose. Not so good. We'll try it one more. We'll try it one more time. And if not, we'll fix that glass. Yeah, so mine's not actually working at all. So what I shall do is I shall come back to it. I shall remove my cover and glue the glass back in, as you do. And see, it seems to be moving now, which is about right. Every time I get off camera, it moves. Every time it's on camera, it doesn't. But anyway, guys, I'm not too bored about this working, to be honest, because I bought it just for a showpiece, just to have hanging on my shed wall at some point. It's quite big. It's not really something I'd want to use. It comes in a massive crap box, the same as Steve's did. But yeah, I will try and get this one working, but with me having this one and Steve having his one, it means that he's actually got the another piece to it, another piece to the puzzle, which you can do phase testing, so you can test between phases, but you need 2 probes. Well, Steve's the only other person I know, I'm the only other person Steve knows, so when we actually get together, I'm going to take my probe, and I don't actually need this bit of the meter to work, so it's not too much of a problem. We'll still be able to do it, and there should be a good video coming from that. So thanks for watching, guys. Play safe if you're going to play with these kind of things. Only do stuff if you know what you're doing, and make sure you've got the right equipment, and just make sure you have fun as well, guys. Don't take everything so serious. I know this kind of stuff has to be taken serious, but some people take it to the extreme and then end up not enjoying it, and at the end of the day, if you don't enjoy it, there's no point doing it. So be safe, have fun, and the next video will be of some arcs from it, but I need to sort out my ballast stack, and I need to sort out first, so it might be a day. It might be a couple of days, I don't know. It might be later on this afternoon, depending on if I can get Vicky up here to come and help me move some ballast or not. So, but yeah, next video will be the monster running. As I say, it is 1 amp at 3150 volts, so it's 3.15 kVA, so it's quite a lot of power. So it should be quite fun, and that can do that all day, literally all day, just sit running. So bit of a beast. But anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to give it the thumbs up. Bye.